Should a search warrant of 44-year-old Michael King's home ever been issued? It's a big question a BC Supreme Court justice is now grappling with on day one of a second-degree murder trial. On March 6, 2023, a neighbor found 70-year-old Michael Jones in his Cook Street Village unit, covered in blood with significant stab wounds to his face, neck, and head. 9 days later, Jones died in hospital. In an obituary, family remembered him as Mike, someone with a huge heart who treasured family and friends with a wicked sense of humor and a love of good food. His neighbor in this multi-unit Cook Street Village building, Michael George King, was arrested, charged in his second-degree murder. King is pleading not guilty. King's defense says the search warrant of his unit was unlawful. They say the language in the warrant was ambiguous and didn't produce reasonable grounds or credibly based probability that King had anything to do with the incident. His lawyers call it mere speculation that King was the perpetrator. They argue there was no basis in granting a search warrant. It should have never been granted and are seeking for it to be squashed. Crown says the opposite, that there was sufficient evidence to support the search warrant. They point to a neighbor's evidence that King and Jones had been feuding and had witnessed King staring oddly into Jones's room several times prior to the incident, and also heard King go into Jones's unit and leave right before the incident. The neighbor also told police he observed blood on King's door, and that after finding Jones with stab wounds, Jones told him King did it. Crown also pointed to evidence that same day King turned himself into Saanich police, saying he was feeling insane, believed he was the devil, and was quoted as saying, "I'm not sure what I'm capable of." As to why police were looking specifically for an edged weapon in King's unit, Crown says that's obvious because Jones suffered numerous stab wounds. Search warrants are authorized by judges, so this Supreme Court justice is in the position of checking her colleagues' work. Did this warrant meet the test? The judge will give her reasons tomorrow morning.